Oh my god. I just got done shooting my first YouTube video.
Who would have thought कि Ritika will do that? Like 110% she did? Wow.
Hi, this is my first YouTube video and I wanted this to be like a little kind of introduction video, so that's how it's gonna be, so that you all can know me a little bit, then we can move forward. So I have been creating fashion content for years, but this channel, this is personal. So this is not just about outfits, occasions and aesthetics. It's more than that. It's about life, but definitely fashion, but self-development and the moments in between where life just happens and everything happening, going with life, handling everything. I like to keep a track of all of my experiences so that I can use all that in my benefit and make sure I'm not going back to those. I mean, the bad ones, because the good ones, welcome. So that is that, and now turning all that into videos so that you can also know about life, or I don't know, but just figuring it out, because life is just not one thing. It's messy, exciting, confusing, but beautiful, and all at once. So I know it can be like a little too much sometimes to handle, because I have been through that, and I want to let you guys know that you are not alone in this. Everyone goes through it, and just me sharing my life with you all basically. So I want this space to be very real and thoughtful and just all over the place, because I think that is the best part about life. Yeah. So about content creation, let's talk about it. The word content for me simply resonate with fashion, because fashion is something I loved the most. I still do. I think it does resonated with me well when I started content, which was in middle 2021. On the way, me without realizing that one creative side about myself become much bigger, and in a good way. The way I started seeing myself and my view for world was just evolving and changing. So I thought I have much more to serve, not just fashion, but about life. And that's how I came up with these ideas. And I have been, I think, from past 1.5 year, I have been sharing and talking about like self-development talks on my Instagram, named that as Tika Talks, because Tika Talks. For that, you have to watch my Instagram, okay? I'm not going to tell everything here. But yeah, and I still love fashion more than anything in this world, and I'll continue doing that. Fashion has been the way for me to express myself, and I have literally learned to love myself through fashion. It has given me the power, the confidence, which nothing in this world gave me. And fashion is my like, I just love fashion. Also, fashion is a celebration of who I am today at my core. It has just been amazing to me. Fashion is amazing, and yeah, amazing, love that. Because when you're being very true to you and wearing outfits that true to your personality, the power it holds, the power you hold beyond everything, that day you own everything. And I'm not just saying it, but I have lived by this thought since like my teen years, and till date still fashion gives me power and the confidence to speak my heart out loud. And fashion is amazing, and I'm just realizing by telling you guys that it's been a journey, and I just want to embrace that with you all. So I think by now you got that this is not just like a fashion coded channel. It's not. It will be about fashion, obviously, but confidence, self growth, and self development, and showing up as the version you know you are meant to be. So, that basically, if you are someone who loves fashion, and on the other hand, you love life and everything that comes along with it. And for me, I think the space to growth is life. I think there should be space. Keep space for yourself to grow without any limitations. At the end, I want to say that I will serve anything and everything from love. That is the main code I think that should go with this channel, and in the right way. I don't want to fit in a box, and I can't promise that I will talk about these things and all. I'll talk about everything which I am going through, and I am getting the knowledge about that topics. Definitely I'll talk about everything here along with fashion. I'm so sorry, but yeah, fashion. All right, I think that is for today. Hit the subscribe button if you have subscribed it already. I love you, and do let me know what made you do that, and also about what you would love to see me creating for you all, because I'll be honored to present anything. That's how it begins. Oh my god, subscribe my channel. Oh my god. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and I am Ritika Gupta. So let's build something together, and see you next Tuesday. Definitely I'll share like all the links in the description. Do make sure you check that out. But thank you for being here.